Hey everyone, hope you're having a good day. This is AJ with Everyday Patio, and welcome to another Everyday Patio video. So today we're going to be showing a roof-mounted lattice. It's going to be double rafter and 2x3 lattice on top with an ultra finish. So that's basically a deeper emboss on the aluminum. So it's got a primer coat and then a finish coat with kind of resin in it. So it's a 30-year warranty on the paint. These are really good in coastal areas. This job was in Rancho Palos Verdes, so they get like a lot of morning dew, so it does a lot better in those kind of coastal regions. So here we put the roof mount brackets up previously, and they put the roofing around it, and then the footings also. They wanted the patio cover to kind of go over the deck portion a little bit, about like a foot or two, so that's why you're going to see us kind of like jog over that way and then shorten the roof mount beam a little bit as we get to the other side. So when you're doing double rafter, we try to put our initial double rafters lined up with the posts on the outside that Issa is doing right now. And that side by the deck was just a little tricky getting around that corner. And then here's the other side going up. Right there where you see us measuring, we're actually doing 6, 8, 10, which is a version of 3, 4, 5 to square up your patio cover. So you measure 6 feet one way, 6 feet the other, and then like a triangle, you measure 10 feet in between them. And as long as that 10-foot mark is on point, that means your patio cover is square. So it was pretty close to square in this cover when we were done. And then the rafters going in. So those are about every 48 inches on this patio cover. It was a 12 by 28 cover. So ultra white on everything. Something really cool that you guys might be excited about, we have on our website now a configurator. So if you want to configure it like a similar design to this, you can kind of make your lattice double rafter, double header, and even have steel posts in it so you can go these spans. So really cool to kind of get the concept before you do your build or before you make your order. So we're really excited to have that up and running now. And then it's 3-inch spacing between each lattice tube. So sometimes people go 2-inch spacing. 3-inch just lets a little bit more light through. That's their kitchen area right there, so it kind of helped not darken their living room and kitchen area. And as you're screwing on top, you're just screwing every other rafter. So yeah, you just see us making sure all the screws are correct because it's a 2-story house, so they're kind of looking down on it as they go. It's really cool seeing it like without the concrete or pavers yet. It's gonna really look finished once that's done. So this is kind of like one of the last phases of their house. They just redid the entire interior, so the patio cover is kind of how they're finishing up the outside. There you see we put the side plates on. So this is more of the finished look. Once the pavers and everything are in, like they'll cover up, it'll be finalized. But hope you guys like it. Hope you learned something. And yeah, feel free to check out our generator on the website now. Really cool to kind of do some of these designs yourself. And Everyday Patio out. Hope you have a good rest of your day.